I'm all good, you alright?
All good, mate. Whew. Oh. Hey, Brad, your door. Brad, your door. Oh.
You alright?
Yeah, mate, all good. Whoa! What a ride! Oh, shit! Fucking hell!
Yeah, I don't know where the rest of it is. Hey? That was good.
That was hanging corners, man, hey? Oh.
That's all. It's putting a wheel on. Yeah. That's all right.
You all good, my man?
I'm great.
Yeah. I'm fine now, but earlier.
Right behind you with the drone all the way.
Oh, sick.
I might go and bring my ram over and skull drag it on.
Well, I might jump in my car and have a go.
Oh, that'll do.
And we pick her up, just lift it up.
And throw me out.
Yeah. You're fine now, but earlier.
I hit in the back. I need that.
Mate, can we raffle your wheel off?
Yeah, well.
That's fucking, mate. Because you're hanging corners, eh? Look at that. Mate, you scratched it. Fuck.
Yeah.
Great work.
Never mind, mate, eh?
Mine landed like a fucking pig.
Were you having a really good time? I think that's all I need is a couple of Ford rims. I've got a spare Ford rim. You got two?
Yeah, right, model that one, eh?
I know who's got Ford rims.
Ford rims?
You know who's got Ford
Yeah,
rims?
I've got Ford rims.
Mr. Slippy's trailer.
I didn't see it.
Yeah. Either did I.
I was over there looking at the Osprey Freeway.
Hey. All's okay. Tell you what, man.
You got new items for the raffle?
We're going to put a new set of wheels on it and send it.
No, we're going to raffle his back work, his front work.
Anyone got any Ford rims?
Yeah.
Now you have to jump on the rim. Yeah, like Jolly Bon. Yep.
All I saw was fucking man about 120 kilos coming towards me.
Yeah. I didn't squash you though.
Yeah, I might have got right over if it was counterweight.
I know, eh?
Were you filming? Were you?
Yeah.
Oh, you put it in. I was running and then I just watched him go back on his wheels. I'm like, thank fuck for that.
It just fell over for a little bit.
Right.
You've done it. I've done it. You've had me pop down.
Yeah, you've done it. You know what the go is.
Leave the car there. We can put it around the fire. Hey, you got some spinning?
All right, my turn.